Here's how to use dictation on iPhone on Apple devices. So in case you didn't know it, like it's available by default on Apple keyboard. I think you need to upgrade to, I have iOS 15, so to be sure you need to be on iOS 15. Maybe iOS 13 is also good. But anyways, here is just in the bottom to the left of space button, you have this dictation icon, and then you can just talk to it and it will create text for you. It's pretty precise, so if you are not fast typer as I am, so I can't type really fast with my fingers, you can just use dictation to do that. Of course, in WhatsApp you also have like audio message, so this is just an example, but in some apps like Notes app or email app you don't have that. So it's just, or you just need not a voice message or audio message, you just exactly need some text. So here I will show an example. So it's pretty cool, right? So yep, that's the idea. Hope this is helpful.